Welcome back to Ride Vista, where machines aren't just reviewed, they're experienced. Today, we're stepping behind the scenes of something truly fascinating, not just a car, but the birthplace of one. This is how Jaecoo 7 SUVs are made inside Chinese luxury car factory, full process. The automotive world is watching China closely right now. And brands like Jaecoo are rewriting the rules of what luxury, technology, and precision manufacturing look like. The Jaecoo 7 isn't just another SUV entering a crowded market. It represents a new era of intelligent production, hand design, and next-generation engineering. Today, we're going inside the factory, from raw steel to a finished luxury SUV. This is the making of the Jaecoo 7. The journey begins long before the badge is installed. Inside Jaecoo's ultra-modern manufacturing facility, massive robotic arms move in synchronized choreography. Sparks fly as high-strength steel panels are laser-cut with millimeter precision. The body-in-white stage is where the skeleton of the Jaecoo 7 takes form, welded together by hundreds of automated robots working with near-perfect accuracy. The platform itself is engineered for rigidity and safety. Reinforced structural beams, precisely positioned crumple zones, and advanced bonding techniques ensure that the SUV feels solid before it even receives paint. Every weld is inspected by AI-driven vision systems, scanning for imperfections invisible to the human eye. Then comes one of the most mesmerizing stages, the paint shop. A multi-layer electrocoating bath protects the body from corrosion. Robotic sprayers apply primer, base coat, and clear coat in controlled, dust-free chambers. Whether it's a deep metallic silver, an elegant pearl white, or a bold graphite finish, each Jaecoo 7 emerges with a mirror-like gloss that reflects its premium ambition. As the painted shell moves down the assembly line, it finally begins to resemble the SUV we know. The front fascia is installed, a bold, upright grille that blends strength with sophistication. Slim LED daytime running lights stretch horizontally, giving the Jaecoo 7 a confident, modern stare. The main headlamps sit lower, integrated seamlessly into the sculpted bumper, enhancing aerodynamics while maintaining presence. From the side, the proportions speak of balance. A strong shoulder line runs cleanly from front to rear, emphasizing stability. Subtle chrome accents frame the windows, while flush door handles enhance both style and airflow efficiency, hinting at capability beneath the surface. At the rear, a continuous LED light bar connects the taillights, creating a futuristic signature. At night, the stance is wide, planted, unmistakably premium. Music transitions, subtle mechanical rhythm. Now let's talk about what powers this machine. The Jaecoo 7 is engineered around a modern turbocharged powertrain, combining efficiency with confident performance. Depending on the market, it offers a refined 1.6-liter turbocharged engine paired with a smooth shifting dual-clutch transmission. Power delivery is immediate yet controlled, producing strong mid-range torque that makes overtaking effortless. Some variants integrate advanced hybrid assistance, optimizing fuel economy without sacrificing responsiveness. Intelligent all-wheel drive systems monitor traction in real time, distributing power where it's needed most. Whether on wet asphalt or loose gravel, the Jaecoo 7 maintains composure. Underneath, at both ends, balances comfort with stability. It's engineered not just for city cruising, but for confidence beyond the pavement, and that precision, it's not accidental. Every engine undergoes rigorous testing before installation. Dynamic simulation benches replicate years of wear in days. Quality control checkpoints ensure each unit meets strict performance standards step inside the factory's trim and final assembly section. And the Jaecoo 7 begins to feel personal. The cabin is assembled with meticulous attention. Soft touch? Materials line the dashboard. Precision stitching runs across the seats and door panels. The craftsmanship rivals brands that once dominated this segment unchallenged. The seats are ergonomically sculpted, offering both heating and ventilation in higher trims. Ambient lighting strips weave through the interior, casting a customizable glow that transforms night driving into an experience. The dashboard is clean and minimalistic. A large central display rises confidently from the center stack, complemented by a fully digital instrument cluster. The steering wheel, wrapped in premium leather, integrates intuitive controls, placing technology right at your fingertips. Rear passengers aren't forgotten. Generous legroom, rear air vents, and a spacious panoramic sunroof create an open, airy environment. Even the cargo area is thoughtfully designed, practical, versatile, and refined. Each interior component is fitted and inspected by skilled technicians. Door alignment, stitching accuracy, screen calibration. Nothing leaves the line unchecked. Technology is where the Jaecoo 7 truly signals the future. A high-resolution infotainment system supports wireless smartphone integration, voice commands, and real-time navigation. Over-the-air updates keep the software evolving long after purchase. AI-assisted voice control learns driver preferences over time, adjusting climate, media, and navigation seamlessly. A 360-degree camera system provides crystal-clear visibility around the vehicle, while customizable digital displays allow drivers to tailor their interface. It's a connected SUV built for a digital generation. Safety is engineered into every layer. The Jaecoo 7 incorporates advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. Multiple radar sensors and cameras work together in harmony, constantly analyzing surroundings. High-strength steel construction, strategically placed airbags, and electronic stability systems form a protective cocoon. Before any vehicle reaches a customer, it undergoes water leak tests, brake calibration checks, and rolling road simulations, ensuring durability in real-world conditions. But numbers and factory precision only tell part of the story. On the road, the Jaecoo 7 feels composed and refined. The steering is light at low speeds, making city driving effortless. As speeds rise, it firms up for stability. Road imperfections are absorbed gracefully. Thanks to a suspension tuned for balance rather than harshness, acceleration is smooth and confident. Cabin insulation keeps wind and road noise at bay, creating a calm driving atmosphere for families, commuters, and explorers alike. It delivers comfort without sacrificing control. It's not trying to be overly aggressive. It's aiming for intelligent sophistication. In today's competitive SUV market, rivals from Korea, Japan, and Europe dominate headlines. Yet Jaecoo positions the 7 as a compelling alternative, offering premium design, advanced technology, and refined comfort at a more accessible price point. It bridges the gap between mainstream and luxury, and that positioning is strategic. This isn't just a new SUV, it's a statement about where global automotive manufacturing is headed, from robotic precision to handcrafted details, from raw steel to rolling elegance. The Jaecoo 7's journey through the factory is as impressive as the vehicle itself. It represents ambition, innovation, and a bold step forward in modern SUV design. If you enjoyed going inside the making of the Jaecoo 7, make sure to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to Ride Vista for more cinematic automotive stories from around the world. I'm your host, and this has been Ride Vista, where every drive tells a story.